To schedule messages on Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you simply have to do is first go into your Messages application, and from here select any contact that you want to send scheduled message to. And from here you have to tap on this text box and input any message that you want to send. And from now you don't tap on this button, you simply don't press it, you have to press and hold it. So let's press and hold this one, and now you can schedule send this message. And here you have three options to send it tomorrow on these hours right here, and you can also pick date and time for this message to be sent. And let's, for example, select this April 4th on this year, and as you press next, now you can set up then an hour for this message to send. And as you press set, now you can see that here's this schedule set already. So now you have to simply press this button from here to send it, and yeah, that's basically how to do this. Additionally, you can tap on this little circle right here on this message, and you can delete this message, you can send it now, or you can update this message if you want to change something in this message. So that's how to do this.